Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be making a New York Sour shot, which is a shot version of the classic New York Sour cocktail. Now this shot is 2 parts bourbon of your choosing to 1 part fresh squeezed lemon juice and 1 part simple syrup. First, add ice to your cocktail shaker. Now add 2 parts bourbon. Add 1 part fresh squeezed lemon juice. Add 1 part simple syrup. Now shake until well chilled. Now pour into the shot glass. Now keep in mind you want to leave a little room for your red wine float. Now use a bar spoon to float red wine on top. And that's how you make the shot version of a New York Sour.